Good morning, students. Yesterday we had a good class. We started the chapter determinant, and I taught you the expansion of determinant of order 3 by 3, and I had a determinant like A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, and C3. Then I told you that this expansion can be done by two way. First, with the help of minor and with the help of cofactor. First, I started with the help of minor. Okay. Beside that, this particular determinant can be expanded by along the first row or along the second row or along the third row or along the first column, along the second column, along the third column by 6 ways. Okay. I taught you yesterday that along first row, how it opened minus 1 to the power, that in along first row, what elements we have? A1, B1 and C1. First of all, I'll go with this. Minus 1 to the power, the A1 is lying in first row and first column, I will write 1 plus 1. Then element itself I will write, and its minor. Minor meaning Mij, meaning M11. Further this, it is minus 1 to the power, second element will be chosen, and it is lying in first row and second column, 1 plus 2, then element itself, then its minor meaning Mij, meaning where it is lying, first row, second column. And I wrote third, for C1 it is lying in 1 and third, first row, third column, element itself and its minor meaning first and third. After it, I taught you that minus 1 to the power 2 meaning it is positive, so only A1 come along with in multiplication its minor. Minus 1 to the power it is become 3 meaning negative, and B1 its minor, and finally it is positive C1 its minor. So keep remember that it is a formula. We don't have to go through this particular formula always. We always have to keep remember this short formula. For along the first row, it is A1 comes with plus sign, with minor, minus B1, and third plus C1. So plus, minus, plus, keep in that mind. Okay. If I ask you along R2, you have to follow this formula always. So along R2, what you will make the formula? Del equal to R2 meaning which element will take now? A2, B2 and C2. First I will go with A2. So minus 1 to the power A2 where it is lying? Second row and first column. Second row and first column. Then itself A2. Then its minor where it is lying? Second row, first column, 2, 1. What about next? Minus 1 to the power second element which is lying in second row, second column in 2 plus 2. Element itself and its minor. And 2, 2. Third, C2 which is lying second and third, element itself and its minor. I again want to say that it is not important, but after it what the step will come, you have to keep remember that for along R2, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 meaning 3 meaning negative sign. So now it is very important or very easy. It is positive sign, it is negative sign. What you get the conclusion? For the second row, A2 comes negative sign, B2 comes with positive sign, and for C2 it is comes negative sign. Meaning, now keep remember for first row plus minus plus, plus minus plus. For second row it's a minus plus minus, and now you can go through the third. Now if I find the along R3, what comes? Minus for third, this quick see, minus 1 to the power, it is third and 1, 3 plus 1, element itself, its minor, plus for B3, it is a 3 plus 2, element itself, B3 and its minor, and for C3, it's a 3 plus 3, itself element and its minor. What conclusion that is? It is a positive sign, it is negative sign, and lastly it is a positive sign. So student, this is along the R3. Similarly, you can find out column 1, along column 1, along column 2, along column 3. But the conclusion I want to share with you, that what conclusion is, I have a trick. When you go along the first row, choose plus minus plus sign, plus minus plus sign. If I simply make for you for trick, that how can we remember all this expansion in one line? That's simple. That if along the first row this is following plus minus plus, can I write plus minus plus? It is following for along the second row it is minus plus minus, minus plus minus. For third row it is plus minus plus. Now you don't have to keep remember all, just keep remember this sign and you can find out anything. If I suppose to put one example and I ask you that 1 minus 2 3 minus 3 1 2 2 1 4, I ask you that expand it along R2, then you need not keep remember this particular formula, but only keep this particular scenario, that what we have seen here, the order of the sign, it must be remembered. Along the R2 it is that minus plus minus, so go with this. You should remember how it is written: element its minor, element its minor, element its minor. The sign is important in front of them. It is following minus plus minus. Okay, so minus, that is minus. And second row, this is minus 3, very important, element and its minor. So what is the minor of that? Second row, first column, second row, first column. Hope you are getting. This is the formula: minus element its minor, minus element its minor, again plus element, because this is second row, choose second row, R2, element its minor 2 2, and lastly it is minus element its minor 2 3. Now student, you can go through this: minus minus plus 3, M21 meaning minor. I taught you that minor only. M21, the minor of 3 is leave, drop this, leave this and this. What comes? Minus 2 3 1 4 plus 1, need not write. What is M22? Minor of that one, drop these two, 1 3 2 4, and lastly I would have what? 2. What is M23? For that only minor is this and this, drop 1 minus 2 and 2 1. Student, now what comes? Open it by all the way. When you will open it, use the bracket sign. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, plus 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, then 1 1s are 1, minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. What comes? It is minus 11, it is minus 2, it is 5, 10. So final answer is 35 45, whatever it is, minus 45. This is the answer of this step. And you know student, if you will use along the first row, along the third row, or along any column, answer will be same. Answer will be same. Okay, I tell you one thing, that now already you have go through along R1, along R2, along R3. Now what about column 1, column 2? So don't afraid. Sign is there only. It is always follow for either for along column 1, along column 2 also. Like if I write expand it along column third. So don't worry. This is specific now. Even for row or for column, it is always follow. So it's a column 3. No worry about that. This is your determinant. And this particular distance, we have to find the value of this determinant along the column 3. So don't worry about that. Answer will be similar, like it is always following this particular sign. Plus along column 3, plus minus plus. Now you know the method. Plus, need not write, element and its minor, where it is lying, first to third column, then minus sign, column. We are expanding that along the column 3. Choose this element, this and this element, and they are following that sign, plus minus plus. It's a short method, meaning that you need not use this particular. You need not use this particular. Yeah, whatever I inbox that, you can directly go on that. And now What is C1? Its minor minus C2. Its minor. It is where? Second 3. And what about that? So plus element. Its minor. Now you can find out easily. So this is a simple one. I have taught you that along anything you can find the value of the determinant. You can expand the determinant. This is totally for minors, meaning with the help of minor you are finding out. With the help of minors you are finding. Even for along R1, R2, R3 or along column 1, column 2, column 3, but you are using minors. Now rest. Okay. So I want to rub it because I've taught you lots of that. Now the few things I want to explain. Till here you know it. Now I am going to teach you that if expansion of same determinant, if I write with the help of cofactor. Now this is with the help of minor. It was following that particular sign. Now I am telling you expansion of determinant with the help of cofactor. So how we can? This is specific now, you have known it now very well. Along the R2 what we had written? Along the R2 directly tell me. Minus A2 its minor plus B2 its minor minus C2 its minor. Along the R3 what you had written? Tell me quick. Plus A3 its minor minus B3 its minor and plus C3 its minor. Okay, that only I have written twice because now I want to say something. Along R1, R2, R3. Don't worry, I haven't taken here along the column 1, column 2, column 3. This is sufficient. Now go through this. Expansion of determinant with the help of cofactor. What I want to say, look at properly. This is determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. What I am going to tell you, it's very important. This is your determinant. I ask you one thing. Find C11. So what is C? I taught you that cofactor is what cofactor? The meaning of cofactor, Cij. Yesterday I taught you minus 1 to the power I plus j Mij. Now I ask you few things. What is C11? I ask you few things. Find C11. C11 meaning the cofactor of A1. First row, first column element. C11. Follow it fastly. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. M11. What answer comes? Positive. M11. I don't want to put the value of M11. We know M11 is actually minor. But I am not putting. Only C11 equal to M11. We got a relationship between C11 and M11. Both are equal. Now, go through that. What is C12? I ask you, what is C12? Cofactor of that element. Sorry. Cofactor of this element. Meaning, follow that. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. This formula, M12. Don't put the value of M12, but minus 1 to the power 3, it is negative sign. I got a relationship between C12 and M12. And finally, I ask you C13. What C13? Meaning, cofactor of C1, that 1, 3. Follow that formula. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, M13. Answer is positive and C13 equal to M13. What you got, student? Now I don't want to go further, but I got that even though we had the expansion of determinant in the case of minor, this one, and now you have we got some values of M11 equal to C11, M12 equal to minus C12, M13 equal to C13. Can we put all these values here? So meaning if I go with 1 by 1, this value of determinant equal to A1. This is M11 and M11 meaning C11. So can I write C11 here? Now it is minus B1. It is M12. What is M12 meaning? Minus C12. So it was getting plus C12. And it is plus C1. And here it is M13 meaning C13. What you got, student? This is nothing special. This is along the R1 the formula for expansion of the determinant. Now this time with the help of cofactor. This was help of minor. Now what comparison you have done here? When you go through with the help of minor, you have to go through plus minus plus. But when you will go through the cofactor, you have to choose plus, plus, plus. A1 its cofactor, B1 its cofactor, C1 its cofactor. Here it is A1 its minor, B1 its minor, C1 its minor. What the sign is? Plus, minus, plus. Here it is plus, plus, plus. Hope you're getting. Along the with the help of cofactor, you have to choose always plus sign. Okay, further of that, I don't want to waste the time, but I will tell you one thing, that when you go, let me rub all. I asked you a few things again. I think you got this. I don't want to rub it. And I asked you one thing. Find out C21. What is C21 meaning? It is 2 and 1, meaning cofactor of A2. Fast do it. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, 3. M21, meaning negative sign. So rubbing it, negative sign. Now, quick tell me C22. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, positive sign. M22, meaning copy. Last C23, meaning cofactor of that element, meaning minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, 5, M23, negative sign. What you have got? These three sentences. So along the R2, when you will see that one, with the help of minor, can we change in with the help of cofactor? Yes. By 2. By 2, what you got? Del equal to. Del equal to. Minus A2. What is M21? M21 meaning minus C21, meaning minus minus plus C21. Rub it here. Plus. B2. What is M22? C22. C22. What is next? Minus C2. M23. Where is M23? Negative C23. Negative, positive. What you got, student? What you got? Now compare. When you were expanding that determinant with the help of minor, you followed that particular sign concept. Minus plus minus. Minus element its minor, plus element its minor, minus element its minor. This time element positive, positive, positive. Here it is negative, positive. I want to say that it always comes positive. Meaning when we go through the cofactor, guys, I tell you short trick, very short trick, that it always follow plus, 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 plus. Now, keep remember these two things. Whenever you are finding the value of determinant with the help of minor, you follow this one. And whenever you go through the cofactor, you go this one. And I think it's so easy. I ask you one thing again. Suppose I ask you, find the value of determinant along R2 with the help of cofactor. So what is R2? And what is R2? Plus, plus, plus. Now it is in your mind that always follow plus sign. So what says 3 R2? 3 its cofactor, plus sign. Keep remember, plus, 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 plus. 3 its cofactor. What's the cofactor? Second one. Plus, because it is plus. 2 its cofactor. And plus 1 its cofactor. Now further that I am not telling you, because you know that how to find C2i, C21, C22, C23. It is following what's our formula? Cij. Minus 1 to the power I plus j mij. So one by one you find I all and then put on the value and get your answer. So student, till now I have taught you, but this concept and the question based on this concept is in third exercise. So that concept was very important and I want to tell you this, done it now. So keep remember this whole concept, student. Now we don't have any special thing in exercise first. I will study. In first exercise, we are just we have to find, not a special told here. It is written, so as example number 3rd. Only evaluate the determinant, the value of determinant 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 0. And it is not specified anywhere that along what you have to find the value, meaning you are independent. So I would suggest you one thing. Whenever it is not stated anywhere that along R1 or along R2 or along what with the help of cofactor or minor, you have to find the expansion. Use always along the R1, use always with the help of minor. Meaning you have to go with the sign plus minus plus and not further. Okay, this you know the sign with the help of minor and go through this only along the R1. It is not told somewhere what's the special thing. So okay, with the help of first row, with the help of minor, I will expand it. So what is the answer? Plus 1 its minor minus element 2 its minor and plus element its minor. Now find the value quickly. What is 1? Leave it m11, meaning the minor of that one, leave it 3001. Minus 2, what is m12? Meaning minor of that 2, these two drop, minus 1040. Plus 4, the minor of that 4, drop these two, what comes? Minus 134. And then answer is, these two multiply 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, and 1 ones are 1, minus 4 threes are 12. So these two 0, 4 into minus 13, answer is minus 52. So hope students you got with the help of minor along the first row. Always use whenever it is not being stated anywhere special thing. So student, it's good enough. I think time has been passed. Do try exercise 4.1 on the basis of 3 by 3 expansion and 2 by 2 expansion. So I think you can make it. Tomorrow we'll have some question of the exercise 4.1. It's having an 8 question. Do try. Thank you.